Yeah, yeah, yeah.
He got robbed. So like, that's in our area.
Totoo. Kaya nga like, tas nauso na yung roving guard.
Yeah.
Nag-ano na, tas may CCTV na.
Ah.
Pero this was way back. Way back. I was a kid. So, sabi ko na, way back. When I was a kid.
Medyo sinate mo yung sarili
pero
mo.
na-shade ko yung sarili ko, ha. Na-notice ko rin yun, ha. Pero like, yun, like pre-CCTV technology.
Yeah.
It was scary. Kaya nakita mo, like, entry lang na, isa-isang nawawala appliances na nagpa-flood back
Na-trigger
siya.
ka pa rin.
Nati-trigger
Baka
talaga.
na-imagine ko yung, alam mo yung, I'm sure you call the police.
Oh,
And then,
yeah.
like, yung parang
Yeah.
scene from a movie
Yes.
na parang they're gonna go around, try to look for clues.
They did. They
and-
did.
Pero never na, I mean,
Wala, we never figured it
unsolved,
out.
ganon.
I was, like, for a week, oh my God, this is gonna make me look like such a loser. For like, weeks, I was walking around with my magnifying glass. And I was looking at the footprints. I was like,
I'm gonna solve this.
yes, kasama ko si Vincent.
Oh my God, dinaway pa si
Oo. Tapos I'm like, we're going to solve this. We're going to find some clue. And then we're going to like, this footprint has some mud which can only be found in the house 2 lots away. Ganun yung mga fantasy ko na masasolve namin with some random clue na very Sherlock Holmes.
Baka PTSD. Alam mo yun, medyo nag-manifest in like a different way sa'yo.
Midge. Pero
Oh,
yeah,
wild.
like I was like sniffing
Pero
around.
buti
like that.
they
Sleep.
didn't go to your rooms.
Here's the weird thing. My mom never sleeps upstairs. She sleeps in the room with my dad, right?
Uh-huh.
We've talked about this many times. It's like, for some weird reason, she went upstairs to sleep with in my room and my brother's. I forgot parang basta like there was a reason why she slept upstairs. So we were like, okay, that's so rare. That was the night that they went in. Tapos when we went downstairs, we found our dad yung nakabalot ng kumot. So syempre we were like, oh my gosh, they killed him. Because nakabalot siya and we were so
Okay.
scared and we asked the maid, like we can't. Can you just like check if he's still alive?
Yeah.
Tapos turns out, buhay naman siya. It's just that, kasi daw during the night, na-realize niya, nilalamok siya. And then,
So
so
he
nagbalot
wrapped
siya
himself
ng,
Oh.
but only because, siguro by that time, all the doors were open na. Kaya siguro pasok-pasok na yung mga...
Oh.
And we were like, how could the house have been turned upside down? Even their room,
Yeah.
without him waking up. And they were thinking, baka nilagyan ng...
Oh, baka may paamoy or something.
Like those things that knock out
Chloroform,
ammonia,
whatever.
chloroform, whatever.
Oh my God.
That puts you to sleep. Kasi they were running around him. Because he was in the ground floor.
And you would hear it.
You would
kung
hear it kung
Normal
normal
tulog
ka.
lang. Oo. Oh my God.
It was so scary.
Mabuti na lang nga, okay na yon. Alam mo, if I were
Yes.
to be robbed by like strange people, mas okay na sige patulugin niyo na lang ako rather
Oo.
than magising ako in the middle of it and then, get into it.
And my
who
mom
knows?
is such a panicky person. So she were downstairs and she woke up while that was
Oh my
happening.
gosh.
Lord knows what was happening,
Yeah,
right? So
shucks.
katakot talaga. And from the cynical optimist,
Number 8.
I knew you were trouble when I saw you at the company parking building on your first day at work, parking your broom. Parking your broom! Parang katakot yun.
Naalala ko tuloy si Chanel sa Drag Race. Yung baliktad yung broom.
Yung broom. Somebody's not into like witches.
I know.
From Knock a Tae Hyung Tay Tay.
Number 7.
Hirap naman ng code name mo. You said relationship labels aren't for us. And I thought I was okay with it. But when I started hanging out with people willing to give me the term boyfriend, you start acting like a neurotic, possessive joke. Akala ko ba nga wala
Kala
tayong
ko
label?
ba, no label.
Well, that's the problem. Pag walang
Official label.
kahit naman walang official, pero yung hindi nyo na ano yung parameters. Kasi kahit naman walang
Correct.
labels, merong parameters yan.
Right.
Remember like in the movie nga, yung that Filipino movie na open relationship or something? Yung sila, Carlo.
Open.
Open ba yan? Yung parang, not Carlo Aquino.
No, it was,
JC Santos.
Yes.
JC Santos. Yung parang may rules pa rin.
Yeah.
Like, wag sa office, basta parang ganun. Or wag yung kakilala natin pareho.
Hindi, pero
Or
yung
something
kanila
like
kasi open pero sila. You know what I mean? They just decided to open their relationship. They were in a relationship.
Sa bagay. No? Tapos basta may ganun lang, right? Like, it can't be somebody we both know.
It can't be
like,
secret. Kailangan
secret.
alam nung isa
Oo.
before anything happens.
Yun, mga ganun. So I guess it's even harder with like no labels.
Yeah,
Like, why are you jealous? It's not even us, right?
true.
See? And from Galactus Intolerance,
Number 6. Number 6.
I knew you were trouble. We just met at an event. Tapos, weirdoan lang ako. Nung papauwi na ako, parang I get this feeling I'm being followed. Tapos, nung lumingon ako, nakita kita, tapos bigla ka nagtago sa poste.
Oh my God!
Oh,
Ano
no.
ba yan?
Ano ba yan?
TRO.
Yes.
File 1.
Alam mo yung very comical pa yung...
I know.
Pero nakakatakot.
It's funny,
Comical,
but
pero
at the same
nakakatakot.
time, it's freaky.
Yung they just suddenly jump into the bushes when you turn around.
Honestly, that sounds like me when I was following my 6th grade teacher around.
Yeah.
Remember when I would wait for her? Tapos, yeah, there would be moments na I would see her from afar. Tapos nakatayo, tapos magtatago muna ako
Magtatago
para
ka.
mukhang hindi obvious na I was just waiting. Although obviously, she probably knew that I was just waiting.
And she probably saw you hiding.
Hindi naman siguro, pero I have a feeling na ang unlikely naman na bakit lagi kang dadaan dito where I pass? Na
Yeah.
parang saan ka galing to begin with? You know what I mean? Wala lang. But I thought,
You
I thought
they
I
were
was being
so sly.
sly. Exactly. But when I think about it as an adult, yung parang, girl,
That was an L.
what the heck? It
That
really
was
was.
an L.
It really was. Oh my gosh.
And from Space Witch,
Number 5. Number 5.
I knew you were trouble. Every time may binibili ako or nagta-travel ako, tinatanong mo magkano ang sweldo ko to be able to afford those things.
What the heck?
Ang daming levels ng microaggression yan. Ah. One, it's like,
You're
may,
implying something eh.
tsaka may inggit.
Yeah.
Two, you're implying, I know you're not earning a lot. How are you able to afford that?
Uh-huh.
Three, why are you earning that much? And not, lalo na kunyari magka-office.
True.
Kunyari office mates
Uh-uh.
kayo. Why are you earning that and I'm not?
Why are you able to afford these things I can't
I
afford?
can't.
Yeah.
So, ang daming levels na shady nung tanong na pag may binili ka, kano ba sweldo mo? Ba't nakakabili ka ng ganyan? Parang, anong paki mo?
True.
Anong paki mo? That's not something you ask, right? And from Coco Hernandez,
Number 4. Number 4.
when I realized you wanted things you couldn't have, but lose interest in them once you have them.
I mean, is that so bad?
Hindi ba okay, if you just want them, kunyari, I want an expensive bag. I think that's fine. When you want something that someone has specifically,
Uh-huh. Oh, that's,
I think that's when it's kind
that's
of
bad.
weird.
Oo. Yeah.
Yung parang,
I get that.
Yung parang wala naman ako interest sa bag, pero, because Hazel bought
Inggit
like
yan.
Louis Vuitton. Gusto ko na rin mag Louis Vuitton. It's
Oo.
very specific to you
It's very
already.
Inglaterra vibes.
Very Inglaterra vibes.
Yeah.
Pero kunyari lang, like wala lang, na I want to be able to afford a luxury bag. Then, that's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh
So,
my gosh.
there you go. And from 7070,
Number 3. Number 3.
I knew you were trouble when you started sending out microaggressions that were said as jokes. Sorry, pero hindi nakakatawa. Ay,
Tsaka it's
this happens
2024.
all the time.
My gosh, alam mo yun? Parang if you're still making those jokes and you still think they're funny, like,
Hindi, tsaka,
hello?
depende sa ano yan sa relationship nyo. Ganon ba talaga yung humor nyo? Do you equally send shade to each other? Gets?
Yeah.
Pero yung kunyari, yung alam mo yung parang nagtataka ka na hindi naman kayo ganun ka-close. Tapos ang dami niyang mga char moments na hindi naman nakakatuwa.
Yeah.
Yung kunyari parang like, uy, ang ganda naman ng bag mo. Kaya sayang, sana bagay sa'yo. Char! Yung parang like I wouldn't find it funny at all.
Yeah.
Because walang context, di ba? Pero I'm pretty sure